Hey guys, so I'm finally live from Desi Martini and guess what? We just watched Wonder Woman. Yes guys, the movie will be releasing tomorrow but we at Desi Martini Premier Club got to watch the movie and let me tell you, it has been a fantastic movie. I mean, the way Gal Gadot takes the entry and people were hooting and clapping and we got a huge response over here. We have a few people lined up for you right now who are going to give their takes on the movie. So let's just go to them and find out how they felt about the movie, right? Hi, what's your name?
Rishabh.
So, what was your experience about the movie?
It was a wonderful movie, especially the first half of the movie. The graphics, the action choreography, I liked it a lot. Better than Zack Snyder's dark and gritty take, which was getting old and incoherent. This movie was really well done. Probably DC's savior. Might save this franchise, the DC universe, from crashing. I like the movie a lot.
So, were you a regular at Desi Martini Premier Club? Have you watched the movies?
I'm a regular. I've been watching all the movies through Desi Martini Premier Club, and I thanks to Desi Martini for providing this opportunity.
So there are a few interesting movies lined up too. Which one are you most interested about?
Dunkirk, which is coming
Dunkirk.
right.
Yes, it will be releasing just after this. Yeah. Okay. Hey, now we're going to another viewer.
Hi. Hi.
What's your name?
My name is Nupur.
So Nupur, give us your take about the movie.
So as the name Wonder Woman, it was as wonderful to watch it, charismatic, earnest, and all my time was worth it. Loved watching it, of course.
And do you watch movies at Desi Martini Premier Club regularly?
I've been following Desi Martini, but the club was the first time and it was worth it.
And how was the experience? Like, tell us something more about the experience.
The experience was completely flawless. The staff, the people, and the movie, of course. I loved it completely. I'm coming back for sure.
Coming back for sure. And which one are you most excited about? You know, we have a few more lined up like Justice League, then Dunkirk.
Justice League for sure. Justice League for sure.
Right.
Thank you.
So, thank you. We'll go to you. Okay.
Hi,
Hi, so what's your name?
my name is Mayanka.
Okay, Mayanka, how was the movie?
The movie was fantastic. The second half was actually the adaptation. I could imagine reading comics then.
It was that visual.
It was art visual. It was
and
very
how was
nice.
the experience of Desi Martini Premier Club?
So this is for the first time that I have come, and I think I'll be a regular.
You'll be a regular.
Yeah.
We are looking forward to see you in the next movie. So, we find you. We'll take you now. What's your name?
Devanshu Sharma.
So, how did you find the movie to be? The movie?
It's fine, it's good.
Yeah, don't worry. Just say whatever you feel like saying. Just that? It's good? Yeah, okay. That was from Little Devanshu. Let's go to him.
Yeah.
So, hi. What's your name?
My name is Ankit.
So, Ankit, how was the movie?
I must say it's a worthy superhero movie in a long time, and I've seen Gal Gadot and Chris Pine. They've done really well. Amazing performance, amazing entry. Thanks a lot. Cheers to Desi Martini.
So, would we be seeing you forward in other Desi Martini premieres?
Sure, if people see Facebook Live, I've been the regular Desi Martini viewer. I'll definitely be there. Looking forward to next movie. Thank you.
Thank you. So now we'll be going to him.
Hi.
Hi, what's your name?
Devesh.
Devesh. So Devesh, tell us about the experience, the movie.
I think it's one of the best DC comics I've ever seen. Wonder Woman is far better than any other superhero I could match with. And the best part was the adaptation of the DC comics was superb and fantabulous. The story was gripping till the end, and the end was really, really well. Chris Pine exceptionally has done really good as an aid to Wonder Woman. Totally a good story, intense storyline, good narration, cinematography. Wonderful movie to watch.
And how do you feel about watching it one day before the entire nation gets
Oh, it's a privilege. I'm privileged to have friends here, and thanks to Desi Martini, and I keep writing my reviews. Thank you so much, Desi Martini.
Thank you. So now we will go ahead straight to you. Hi, what's your name?
Simranjit Singh.
Simran. So Simran, tell us how the experience was of
That
the
is
movie.
very amazing movie. They are full of adventure and there's woman empowerment like this. I was litigation like advocate and especially for women empowerment. That look
Yeah.
there is lots of power with encouragement of the women and
it's good.
So it's
So
Wonder Woman taking down all the
taking on-
baddies
yeah,
is like the main takeaway.
Exactly.
Tell us
that's-
something about Gal Gadot's entry.
Yeah, he's very good, and the woman also very amazing, full
And how was-
of header.
How did you feel about being a part of Desi Martini Premier Club and seeing the movie?
It's very good. The all staff is very good and supportive. There's lot good stuff like sound system is all good, and staff is very helpful.
So will we be seeing you again?
Yeah, sure. Why not?
Definitely, right?
Definitely, sure.
Yeah, we are looking forward to see you again.
Sure,
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Simran. Now we have him. What's your name?
Pranav.
Hi. And first of all, let's not ask you about the movie. Tell us how the experience of Desi Martini Premier Club was.
Actually, it's first time for me.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm going for the first time, and it was really amazing. I'm looking forward that I'm gonna come next time also.
So tell us something about this. How excited were you to see the movie?
I was really
Wonderful.
excited actually because I was waiting for this movie since I watched the trailer. So even today I got early from my office just to come here on time so that I don't miss any of the scenes. So it was a nice experience.
And finally, the movie.
Movie was amazing, no doubt. Diana was amazing. She was perfect, and the effects were. I expected more, but they were good.
They were good.
Yeah.
Gripping till the end.
Yeah, it was gripping with you.
So we are seeing you next time, right?
Surely.
Sure. Thank you. Thank you. Now we have her. Preksha.
Manisha.
Manisha. Okay, Manisha, tell us about the movie experience.
I love the movie. You know, seeing a lady superhero.
So
It's
it was
always
a
good.
different one, right? After a long time, a lady superhero.
Definitely.
Definitely. And being a woman, tell us about how you felt about Gal Gadot's entry. That part, I think everybody was hooting there.
I don't think we can put that in words.
And are you a regular with Desi
Yeah.
Martini Premier Club?
Regular one.
So we are seeing you next time, right?
Definitely, I'm there.
Okay, thank you. Now we will go to another viewer. Hi.
Hi,
So what's your name?
I'm Shivangi.
Shivangi.
Yeah.
Shivangi, tell us something about the experience.
So the experience was wonderful. It is definitely a visual delight, and it's not an experience. It's like an emotional connect as well. So you watch a woman out there who's saving the world. So it's definitely a feel good movie.
Factor.
Yeah. Yeah. So it
And-
was a great experience.
And how did the movie do? Like, did it entice you till the end, or did you feel that there was disconnected in some
No, of course it
parts?
was enticing. It was gripping, and I could definitely connect with the movie. Yeah.
Yeah. And how was the experience of Desi Martini Premier?
It's a good experience all the time. I am a regular here, so I watch all the premieres and I look forward to these premiere shows. It's again a feel good factor here because you're getting to watch the movies before the world does. So yeah, it's a good experience.
And did you write a review?
I'm going to write it tomorrow, definitely
Yeah.
on the website.
So guys, check out the review tomorrow.
Yeah,
right?
please do. Thank you.
Thank you. And now we have a bunch of friends. Hi.
Hi.
So one by one, let's go one by one.
Okay.
What's your name?
Yeah, I'm Raghav.
Raghav. Raghav, tell us about the movie.
Yeah, movie was very incredible. I liked it so much, and the best part was the Diana. She did a really amazing job in it.
Gal Gadot.
Yeah.
And tell us about the entry. Three of us, all three of you. How was the entry?
And it was great.
Kind of well managed, as for for 100 people to get in at once. It has some kind of like a push effect, but that wasn't there. It was like a much well managed job that you guys did together, and I do appreciate that.
So are you guys like first timers on
Yes.
Desi Martini Premier Club?
Yes, I'm the first one.
I'm at it's actually my third time. I just started coming here.
Okay.
I'm the first timer, but then again, I'm coming back for Justice League. That's
So we would love all of you to come back more because there would be films like Dunkirk, It. So we would look forward to you guys. Now tell us something about the movie.
The movie was actually great. The concept of the movie was to the people have been corrupted and we need to be liberated by any means. That was the main concept of the movie which I really liked.
Okay, and for you?
So what I'll say, this is the movie everyone was wanting since the Marvel days when people were trying to, get a Black Widow movie. they got their first female superhero movie. Now I'll not say much. I have put my review on your website. You guys can go out and check it there.
Okay, thank you guys. So we have been getting a lot of ratings and reviews, and you guys need to check it and definitely go. And if you're watching the movie tomorrow or in the weekend, you have to go to Desi Martini and give your ratings and reviews, since it's an audience review site, and we are so pleased to say it's the second largest movie website now. You guys are there. It's because of you guys we are doing so well. So keep your support up. Now coming to the movie, it's been a fantastic experience, and I guess you guys would also love it when you see it. But for now, I'll be taking your leave. We will come back with more amazing reviews, more amazing movies, and more amazing premieres. And we will look forward to your cooperation as well. We would love to see you and come to the premiere, hang out with us, have a chat with us. So do keep watching Desi Martini, keep watching the space. Read our articles, read our reviews, be associated with us. Till then, bye. Wow.